Hello guys, good morning and welcome to the channel. And today I'm on my way to Mini dealership in order to do one little modification to my car, which is this. So these rings, they're now in chrome. As you can see, they look nice, but if you follow me regularly, you will know that I'm a big fan of the gloss black. So what we're gonna do is, I already ordered the gloss black ones. And let's go back here. So these here also, they are going to be gloss black. So without further ado, let's go to the car. Let's hit the road and well, yeah, I think this small modification will make the car look even better. Alright, so we're good to go. Okay guys, so the car is done, it is finished, we have new parts installed, so let's see how does it look. Alright, so on the front we have this in gloss black, and this is original part from Mini. As you can see, I didn't want this in wrap because of all the bugs and everything that you get here during the summer period. I think it looks very good like this. I mean, just look at this, and this is in chrome still, and it will remain in chrome because I love, you know, the chrome details, because you also have the door handles in chrome and you also have this in white, so this kind of goes with each other. And I mean, just look at this, I think this looks very cool. Also the badge remains in the chrome, as I think it looks very nice. And moving on to the side of the car, so everything remained the same here, but at the back we have some new changes. Look at this. So we have the gloss black ring here. It looks so awesome, makes the lights look even better like this, I think. Don't you agree? So this is once again the original part from the Mini factory, and this one also, and this is in the gloss black wrap because of this. Look, so in order to get this wrap, I didn't remove anything. I mean, the guy that did it didn't remove this part, which was very important for me, because I think once you remove this you will get, you know, I don't know, weird sounds maybe, so I didn't want to risk with that. So what I did is I told him to put this thing in gloss black without removing it, and did a great job. Looks very nice. And also I bought the new badge, so the same, of course. I think it looks very nice with the chrome badge. Once again, nice contrast between chrome and gloss black. This also remained in chrome, as I think you have this in chrome, you have the Mini badge in chrome, and the belt line in chrome. Now the belt line can't be even wrapped, so belt line needs to stay like this, but I think like this the car looks very good. I mean, just look at this, so nice. So I think now it's a proper spec. I think this is the best spec you could get on this car, really. Once again, now I can show you the wheels which I bought recently, John Cooper Works, the original ones, which are actually, you know, extended here. And overall, I mean, I can't get enough of it, you know. Looking at it from this angle looks very nice. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the spec now? What do you think about these small changes, but significant, I think, as the car really looks awesome. Now the car was supposed to go, I mean, I was supposed to drive it to Geneva. Unfortunately, as you may know, it has been cancelled, the show. But yeah, I hope I will do some proper road trips in the future. And that's it for now. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the car, about these small new details. And that's it. See you on the next one. Bye bye.